So here's the key. Now at the bottom right corner there's a slot. For that you'll need a flathead screwdriver. A bigger screwdriver will do a better job. One that looks like this. Get the screwdriver, put it right in that slot, and once it fits in there, just twist it. Like this, just twisting motion, and that's gonna pry the remote open. There you go. Now turn it upside down, just lift up the back cover, and that's gonna reveal the battery right there. To get the battery out, you can just sort of press down on it with your fingers and slide it out of there. You don't need any tools for this. And there you go, the battery comes right out. Let's take a closer look at this. The battery side is right there on it, CR2032. Again, CR2032, and the positive sign is marked with a plus sign. Negative has no markings on it. Get the new battery and slide it right inside there. Just be patient with this. Make sure it gets in properly. That's good. Now just get the other part of the remote, the back side, align it, and then press it together. And that is looking good. Let's try this out. That's working. And that is looking good. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.